Ram everyone. Welcome to this another video on Python series. So in this video we will be covering upon what is break and what is continuous statement in Python. So that only we are going to cover in this series in this today's video. Let's create a new lecture. It's a new folder. Let me create a new lecture. Lecture 13. Let's keep it lecture 13.py. Okay, today's topic is break and continue. Let's talk about what is break. What will the break command will do? Break command will stop the further iteration of the loop. Like if you are using a break command and you have like 10 iteration pending after that statement break statement, so it will avoid that 10 statement. Only it will continue till the current statement and iteration, and then the next whatever iterations are there will be skipped because you added a break state. On the other hand, continue, what it will be doing, continue statement, what it will do, it will skip the current iteration, but all the other iterations will work as expected. Only the current iteration, whatever is there in the process, that will be skipped because you use the continuous statement. So without wasting our time, let's create an application I'm creating. I'm using command planet and developer commands to let's. So just what I can do, I can create a variable, like I have a variable like mb equal to 5. It's a file, and here I can write a while loop. Already we covered a while loop in the previous video, like, so you can what you can do, you can go through that video as well, like if you have not watched till while true. Inside that, what I can do, I can print the iterations, print the value of this variable that I declared. And after that, what I can do, let me do one more thing. I can what I can do, like if the iteration is, if that value equal to 7. I'm using Python here, so I will be writing double equal to. If you are using React, you can use a triple equal to. Uh, that's fine. I will be using a break statement here because I want to break the loop. After that, I have to iterate it, like I have to update it. That's important. If you are not updating that, you will get a infinite loop. So I print this statement. Let me run this and show you what data we are getting here. I got like 5, 6, and 7. I used a break statement to. After that, it is not going to like uh, it's not going to print other statements. If I avoid this break statement, if I comment out this break statement and run that, so I can see one thing. Okay, I have to comment out this as well. It's an infinite loop. It's become an infinite loop because we have not end that loop, like we have not use any if condition so that we can break that loop. So we can write one condition. We can write mb less than 20 kind of stuff we can do. And if I'm printing this, so I will get this data till 19. That kind of stuff also you can do easily, like there is no such problem. So we were talking about continuous statements. Let's do one thing. Let's create a for loop. So you know how to create a for loop. Like I have already told you, for val in any you can write any string. Like let's keep it. I have a meet Huda. Spelling mistake if it's wrong. Like bear with me. Now what I can do, if val value equal to let's keep it h. If it's equal to h, I will continue that, and after that I will print the val. I will print here the val, and after that what I will do, I can print alvida. So let's run this and show you what's the continuous statement tells you. I have meet h is skipped. Why h is skipped in this case? Like because I wrote here h val equal to h, I will continue that, so that same iteration will be skipped and rest all the iterations will be taken care of. So in this video we covered upon what is break statement and what is continuous statement and how we can use in Python. So you can try some of the Is Gambas already I told you like you have to solve the questions of lead code, and we are also planning to solve the questions and show you the solution easy way, so that you can know the what are the easy ways available to solve any question. Because it might be a case like you are using any old school technique, that kind of stuff where your logic is blend kind of stuff. So we will be covering that as well in the upcoming session. For now you can follow our other series, like we have some data engineering series going on, we have some data bricks. Not Databricks is soon going to soon come. We have some SQL and MVC series. We have some code series. We have some React JS CSS. Then you can follow all the series available in our YouTube channel Column 2.0. Also follow us on our Facebook page. You will get something or the other content available on there as well. So we are going to cover Angular. Also is going to be soon being available on any other series. Like we are going to soon start the PySpark and Database series as well. So for now. Uh, like this video, it was a small video. I will meet you in the other video. Till then, bye and take care.